Today's song is called See the Light, and it's a wintry scene today. I was thinking of how calm and beautiful the night was last night. It was cold, but it was really, really pretty, and so it sort of inspired this look and also the song as well. So it's more a relaxing kind of chill out song, and I thought that'd be kind of fun. I want to invite you to the YouTube channel under Robin Cooper Puppet Power. Please subscribe. And also, thank you. Thank you so much for your time, for everything you guys do for me. I really do appreciate it. I know I put out a lot of videos, and I do it very quickly, and I write my songs very quickly. And I know sometimes it's hard to keep up with, and sorry about that. I'm motivated. Anyhow. So here we go with the song, and today Desiree and Sebastian are going to be our stars, and they're going to perform.
Winter's moonlight, the stars bright, I'll make a wish tonight. Winter's moonlight, the stars bright, I'll make a wish tonight. I hope we all see the light someday. The evening still and calm, the snow gently falling down. I smile at the warmth I feel inside, thinking of the beauty within the night. Winter's moonlight, the stars bright, I'll make a wish tonight. Winter's moonlight, the stars bright, I'll make a wish